Welcome everybody, my name is Curdy and you are watching Pree. This week we're here in the square of Papine, and you know, for the next half an hour it's all about entertainment and lifestyle. So everybody in the Caribbean, in Canada and in New York, get ready because Pree starts right now. We kick off this week's show with highlights from Major Lazer concert featuring Skrillex. Now, I was there. I definitely enjoyed that. Shout out to everybody in the Caribbean because, you know, Major Lazer rep for the Caribbean. So check this out right now. Pree this. There you have it, highlights of the Major Lazer concert. Skrillex definitely ripped it. Now you're watching Pree this, and right now it's time for the voice of Jamaica. Who am I talking? Tess and Chin. Now Tess and Chin recently went to the States, won The Voice, and arrived back home for a short stint. Now all the interviews, all the madness at the airport, you guys need to check this out. Tess and Chin's arrival.
Everybody that came to Jackson Records to sign this board for you, and that we promised to give it to you when he came back. So. Wow.
I'm just so happy to be home. I'm overwhelmed. I'm overjoyed. I am just pinching myself every day. Pinching myself every day. I don't think I can quite take it in, all that is happening. And I haven't had a moment to take it in. So maybe when my head hit the pillow in my own bed tonight, I will feel like, what just happened? There's so many things I've taken away from this experience. The key one being hard work. You know, when you decide and commit to something and you go for it, then you really can succeed. And, you know, I've never been one to shy away from working hard, but just didn't know in what direction to work, you know. So that's what I'll take away from it. And just, I think that The Voice has given us tools to go forth from The Voice and spread our wings in so many different ways, because that level of a production is just, it prepares you for so many things. I'm looking forward to sleeping in my own bed. I'm looking forward to seeing my people and talking to them and thanking them and just letting them know how very grateful I am, and I know I wouldn't be here without them because they're the first people that gave me a chance, you know. So I was very apprehensive about it because I knew that there was going to be people saying, what should I do that for? You know, this and that. But I knew that I had nothing to lose. I had absolutely nothing to lose. I'd come to a place, I think, in my career, I was just like, what is happening? Like, I feel like I'm on this treadmill running but not getting anywhere. What is going on here? And I always knew of the career I wanted and the career I've always dreamed about, and I always knew it was on an international level. So when Shaggy mentioned The Voice, I really had to like talk to my sister, talk to my husband, my dad, my brother-in-law, my mom, everybody. And what did I have to lose? I had nothing to lose. So the best advice I got from Adam was, it was two things in one. It was to always make sure you connect with your song and allow people to feel what you're singing, because that's the only way they will get it, is if you connect with it. And focus on creating moments.
You're watching Pree, and as I said before, we're in the square of Papine. Now, guess what? We're going for a commercial break. When we get back, we have a lot more. Keep it locked.